virtual reality, augmented reality. You keep hearing these buzzwords in tech news lately. Apple, Google, Facebook, Samsung, Microsoft, Sony. Why are these tech giants investing heavily in the fields of VR, AR? This is because they have realized that the interactive VR, AR apps will be a key way of how we interact with our computers in the near future. They have therefore started hiring developers and designers to create these VR, AR apps. But wait, you ask me, how do I make all these interactive 3D VR, AR apps? How do I get started if I want a job as a VR, AR developer? What skills do I need? Well, I'm glad you asked. Step 1 to becoming a VR, AR developer is to start by learning Unity, the real-time graphics engine in which most of these experiences are made. Unity is beginner-friendly, platform-independent, and has become a must-have skill for a developer or designer looking to differentiate themselves in this competitive job market. In this introductory Unity course, brought to you by Design Innovation Center Chandigarh, you will learn the fundamentals of Unity via live, hands-on demos and interactive game projects. No boring, sleepy slide decks here. Woohoo! In 12 information-packed lectures, you will learn about Unity's interface, game objects, player input, animation, PBR shading, how to achieve different aesthetics, along with the basics of how 3D graphics and real-time rendering works. You will learn these concepts by coding simple C# scripts, as well as how to showcase your 3D creations online on your own personal portfolio websites. But why should you take this course instead of other online Unity courses? Pre-recorded online courses are good, but you don't get the personal attention and feedback that you get with a live instructor. And instead of pre-recorded scripted videos, which are basically slideshows in disguise, you will see everything happen live in front of your eyes. What's more, once you finish this course, all participants will get a chance to work on live, industry-sponsored projects within DIC and will also become eligible to enroll in future advanced VR, AR courses offered by DIC. Lastly, why learn Unity from me at DIC Chandigarh? Not only do I have a master's degree in human-computer interaction from Georgia Tech, specializing in VR, AR, but also ever since 2015, I have created many VR, AR apps in Unity and have showcased them in prestigious international conferences. I have taught Unity before and therefore have a good understanding of where beginners get stuck and how most Unity concepts should be explained. Check out these testimonials from my past Unity course students. Moreover, I also have a long history of giving technical talks and organizing events, as I am one of the co-founders of Punjab University Linux Users Group and the co-organizer of the very first Software Freedom Day at UIET. Come, join me on this fun adventure online. Sign up now by clicking the link or by scanning the QR code.